3 things that women should forget on the first date. Nowadays women fight against machismo. They want to be treated the same as men in different aspects, but in everyday life, they still do not apply certain things that would help them to be more independent. On the romantic plane even today, many women expect men to take the first step, in every sense, during the first outings and in the flirting stage. At the specific time of the first date, women have doubts about how to act, dress, what to say and what to avoid doing in the first meeting. Here we are going to demolish some myths. 1. Women should never make a date. Even today, many women fear being the ones that propitiate a meeting. They hope that the boy who likes them will invite them first. But this is a rather macho rule. Why should always be the man? Women also have to take control of the situation. If you like, invite him out. The worst thing that can happen to you is that he tells you no and nobody has died because of that. 2. Pay the bill. Nowadays women are independent, they work and earn their own money. Usually, it is men who pay the bill on the first date, second, third, really always. But the truth is that they would like for women to pay, at least once, not for a matter of taking advantage of the situation, but because this shows them that the woman they go out with can also take charge. 3. Let him choose the place. Men like women who know how to make decisions, and this apply to different things in life, from what job to choose to what movie to watch. If he asks you where you want to go, give him your options. They don't like to be the ones who always decide. Source: https://peru.com. Don't forget to click on the top right of this video or the link in the description below and download my free ebooks. To learn more about 3 things that women should forget on the first date, please subscribe to this channel, share this video with others, like it, and download the book free by clicking the link in the description below, and please let us know your opinions in the comments section below.